MVP, welcome to the Semper Gumby Challenge, where we take a household item or daily chore and turn it into your daily lockdown workout. For today's workout, we're going to need to ditch these sandals and get those combat boots back on. Negative, not the desert ones, the heavy steel-toed one. Hoorah! That's not good enough. Let's put on some leg weights. Negative, not the lightweight leg weights. Hoorah! If you do not have leg weights, your combat boots are heavy enough. They'll be just fine. Today's workout. Take the weekly garbage cans to the street, full lunges back. That's today's MVP Semper Gumby workout.